Welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to auto generate sales reports in Notion AI. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So if you can auto generate sales report in Notion AI, all you can do is simply go to Notion. Once you're in your Notion, all you can do is simply get logged in into your account, and now by combining or using Notion's built-in database automations, AI features, and potentially third-party integration tools for completely full-fledged automated workflow, you can simply make it. There is no single Notion AI button that creates a complete automated report from scratch, but you can simply do it without some initial setup. You can simply have it integrate with a third party app that can help you make things easier. So this way you can auto generate sales report in Notion AI. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for our next video. We will be back again really soon.